Beep, 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 beep. Live from Wellston, Georgia, it's another episode of the Wartown Times. Be sure to stay up to date by joining the Wartown Times Facebook group on the Facebook.
Thank you, Madam Mayor, City Council. Tonight I'm Minister Daniel Lewis Crumpton. Some of you know me from my novel, Then Came the Flood, my work with ZENintheCAR.com, or the Wartown Times. I know you do, Kevin. I would like to praise Madam Mayor and City Council for what you've done this month in bringing awareness to some issues that are very serious in this community and to me. There are so many of us who have suffered from post-traumatic stress disorder, from substance abuse, from losing someone from cancer, and I am no exception to that. I know each and every one of us in this community have been touched by that. And as a result of what you guys have done, I'm also known as a very outspoken advocate for the nationwide medical cannabis collective known as CannaSense Total Wellness. And what we do is we educate and provide lawful, safe, lab-tested medical and instant access to anyone suffering from cancer, post-traumatic stress disorder, or other ailments through the law. And because of what you guys have done, we have decided to focus here in Warner Robins and in the state of Georgia by launching the Georgia CannaSense Initiative. And you can go to GACannasense.com to get information about the legalities of this, to educate yourself about the benefits of medical cannabis and how it can alleviate anyone in this community who is suffering from ailments that can be alleviated from cannabis. And so that being said, I am a sponsor and a caregiver to over 11,000 patients nationwide, 2,800 patients personally who have access to me and whose lives depend on this medicine, which we can no longer tolerate being stigmatized. We can no longer tolerate people who choose to utilize plant-based sacraments to heal their minds, their bodies, their souls, and their spirits, not in this community or any other community. We cannot criminalize these types of things any longer. And of those 11,000 patients who I represent and speak for on these issues, I have one here with me tonight. Her name is Monica Rivera. She's been a long-time friend of mine, and she's also my patient. And 8 months ago, she made one of the hardest decisions of her life, and that was to leave a situation where she suffered from domestic abuse resulting in post-traumatic stress disorder, hypervigilance, flashbacks, and all sorts of horrible things. Anyone who's struggled with it, you know. As a result of that, she is now having to fight for her equal and parental rights in the Superior Court tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. And I am urging this community, if we stand up for people who are seeking to live well, we should speak up for the equal parental rights of those who choose to treat their post-traumatic stress disorder with therapeutic medical cannabis lawfully and with a doctor's recommendation, even in the state of Georgia. So I am urging everyone who can see this or hear this to contact Judge Edward Lukemeyer's office and inform him that you stand for equal rights.
Thank you, Mr.
Madam Mayor.
Crumpton.
Thank you, City Council.
Thank you.
Beep, 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 beep. Live from Wellston, Georgia, it's another episode of the Wartown Times. Be sure to stay up to date by joining the Wartown Times Facebook group on the Facebook.